Hello everyone, I am Ranjit Reddy and my teammate Pragati. Today we are going to present our project on machine translation. What is machine translation? Machine translation is the task of automatically converting one natural language into another. For example, converting the English to French, English to Spanish, English to Telugu. There are 4 types of machine translation: statistical, rule based, hybrid, neural. Coming to the statistical, which deals with the statistical model to get the output. Coming to the rule based, which uses the grammatical rules. Coming to the hybrid machine translation, which is a mixture of statistical and the rule based. Coming to the neural machine translation, it is a type of machine translation that relies upon neural network models. In this project, we have implemented neural machine translation using Badanu attention mechanism to translate the English text to Telugu. For example, the reason behind this is, in our country, most of the farmers can't understand the English while they were trying to use smart farming techniques. By integrating this type of translators, they can get huge benefits to understand about the new techniques. And why it is important, like machine translation solutions are progressively being used in more areas like business, agriculture, healthcare, finance, software and technology. These numerous applications evolved which were using translators nowadays. By integrating our model to any kind of the application that can serve end user to understand the English text to Telugu. Coming to the data, we have used 2 data files which consist of Telugu and English. Steps involved to perform our models. First, we have pre-processed the data, and then tokenization to break the raw text into small chunks. Next, splitting the data to train test. And coming to the implementation part, Pragati will handle.
Hello everyone. Coming to the implementation, we have used different models like using predefined models and using encoder decoder using attention mechanism. First model is using encoder and decoder. In encoder, we takes a list of token IDs and looks up for an embedding vector for each token and processes these embeddings into a new sequence, and this will get a response, returns process sequence, and this will be passed to attention head. Coming to decoder, decoder uses attention to selectively focus on parts of sequence. Decoder receives complete output of the encoder and it uses RNN to keep track of what it has generated so far. Decoder is used to predict the next word in the task. And coming to implementation, we have, this is the input sentences. Consider this input sentence as, please ensure that you use the appropriate form, and for that input sentence we get response as this one in the Telugu. And for evaluating this model, we have used Google Translate API. This is the same sentence we just generated, and for this sentence we got blue score as 0.74. For this model, we are getting blue score of 74 to 76. And we also implemented using some predefined Hugging Face models to verify whether the accuracy got increased or decreased. These are the Hugging Face models we used. First one is with the Facebook, and other 2 are the Hilangsi NLP models. And coming to these outputs, the input text is the same, hello my friends, how are you doing today? And the generated text is hello na snehitulu. For this, blue score is 92. And for the second model, we get the same response for that text and the blue score is still 92. And the other third model is we got the response as hello na snehitulu meeru nedu ela chestunaru, and the blue score for this model is 77. These are the models with their corresponding blue scores. First one is the encoder decoder and other three are the predefined models. When we look at these blue scores, we got the first and fourth model as 76 and 77 and the other two are with 92. We got high blue scores for predefined models when compared to our model. And coming to conclusion, Randit is going to conclude.
Coming to the conclusion, machine translation systems that uses a single approach do not achieve satisfactory results. Like using the multiple models and training the multiple models, so we can get a higher output quality. Furthermore, a hybrid approach to machine translation combines the strength of two or more approaches to improve machine translation quality overall. As a result, further research should concentrate on machine translation using two or more approaches in order to improve the translation quality, like implementing the BERT and GPT-3, which are the predefined models, so we can get the translation quality high. So these are the references. Thank you.